Hi guys, I have to squat down because my tripod is not tall enough. But hi, I'm at the park where there's nobody at, and I wanted to, I don't know, do an unboxing, a try on, I guess. Oh my god, it's really like raining. I don't think I'm gonna be able to film this. This is so annoying. But yeah, my house is too fucking loud and I needed a quiet place to record. So, and I thought this was a cool little background, but yeah, I ordered a bunch of shit from Pretty Little Thing. I probably should have saved my money, but they were having 60% off and I just couldn't help myself. And I was like, fuck it, I never buy clothes, I usually just thrift. But I was like, fuck it, I need new clothes. So if we're out of this quarantine by summer, I should be set with these fucking outfits that I got. Honestly, I don't even remember what I got, but I didn't know it was gonna come like, I don't know. There's a box in here because I got a pair of shoes. But yeah, I don't know what to try on first. I have like dresses, and this is a dress. I have another dress. I think this is a top. Yeah. Let's try. Monochrome printed mesh high neck cut. Okay, it's like a bodysuit. Oh, wait. Okay, this is the front. Wait, what? This is the front? Okay, I think your titties go in here. I don't know. Okay, cute. I need a different like bra for this, but let's look for something else to try. It's fucking sprinkly, it's cold. Oh no, okay, I don't think I could film out here. Okay, I'm back home now. It's a basic tank top. None of this is gonna look good with the bra I'm wearing, for real. Oh, I just stepped on a rotten orange. I don't know if I want to try on the dresses outside because I ain't trying to get all naked. Black satin cow neck corset lace up cami. Damn, these are starting to sound like wish listings with these names. It looks like a Halloween costume fabric. It's like very thin and see-through. I could see through it. It looks kind of cute. Hopefully it doesn't look fucking too costumey. My cats are just watching me from my room, from the window. I feel very uncomfortable. Why is there an audience here? It's just supposed to be me. So I did my own nails. Your favorite YouTuber could never. Is this gonna fit? I haven't gone to the gym since quarantine started, so don't judge me. My summer body is ruined. If we don't have a summer, then it's fine, but if we do have a summer and I look like this, I'm gonna be mad. I need like higher pants. Okay, this is cute. I thought it was gonna be like drapey. I don't know. I guess it depends. If I wear like a different bra, it'll look different. Sick. Top. It says black corset hook and eye crop top. It's just gonna be a basic top. It's like very stretchy. I really hope my neighbors aren't watching me. Also, did I tell you guys I busted my lip out here and right here because I fainted, and that's why my lips are all crusty, so don't judge me. Just suck it in. Ah, I keep stepping on oranges. Oh. It kind of looks too big. I am not wearing the right bra for this, but it's cute. My new clothes is all falling in the fucking rain. Oops. The jeans are hella baggy. I thought they would be more like form-fitting, but they're mom jeans, so I get it. I'm not mad at the bagginess. I like to wear baggy pants. The butt was a little like, and right here was a little like less baggy. But other than that, I like them. They look like a pair that you would get at the thrift store. I only got them because they were on sale, so. These, they're kind of crazy. I thought they were gonna be like a jean material, but it's like in like rough pajamas, kind of. I have them at my ankles and it's all the way to my titties. I honestly don't know how I feel about these. They kind of just look like pajamas. Oh my god, I'm already dirtying them because I'm outside. This is cute. I feel like the sleeves are a little too much in my armpit. But it's cute. It doesn't go with the pants, but you know. But now I feel like I'm being watched, so. My neighbors were filming a TikTok in their backyard all loud the other day, so I could film a YouTube video. I'm like whispering, I'm like, we only have dresses and then we have the one pair of shoes that I got, so I don't know how I'm gonna change into a dress out here, but we're gonna try. Oh my god, my head. My brain is too big. I can't really turn because I have my pants at my ankles. I liked the sleeves. I need to like get tan and it'll look okay. And go back to the gym because my arms are getting fat again. Chocolate brown binding under bust detail. Ew, what was on me? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ew, what? Did I just kill something? Ew. So this chocolate brown binding under bust detail Bardot bodycon. Oh my god. It's looking kinda it looks kind of like abuelita dress. It looked good on the model. But this shit feels tight. Like, how is there a zipper that I'm not seeing? Because I don't see no zipper. And this fabric is not stretchy. I don't get it. They were not playing when they said bodycon. Oh my god, my fucking nipples are so pointy. These are the shoes I got. Hopefully they look cute. We'll try it on with the last dress. I don't have the body for this at all. I need like a smaller waist and bigger hips. But yeah, okay, this is the end. I'm already over this video. I probably won't even post it, I don't know. But yeah, I wasted a bunch of my money while in quarantine because they were having a 60% off sale and I just couldn't help myself. And yeah, so that's gonna be all. I don't know if I'm gonna keep everything that I got. I'm not sure. I have to try it on and look at it in the mirror. And style it actually. But yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. I don't know, maybe if you want. But yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. I don't know, this is kind of a boring video, but I'm gonna go back inside my room.